This is Mamutasan Meras. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is our isometric view and all the dimensions are given in the isometric view. So first of all, we are going to start drawing from the top plane. In the top plane, we will draw a rectangle. Okay, and this rectangle has a this side dimension of 30 unit, and in this side it has a dimension of 40 unit. Then we will extrude it to upward, and it has extrude of 20 plus 20 unit, so it will be 40 unit. After that, we will draw a extrude cut rectangle here, and in this extrude cut corner rectangle, as our this total dimension is 40 unit and this dimension is 20 unit, so our this horizontal dimension is 40 minus 20, so it will be 20 unit. Okay, then we can see we have our total this dimension is 20 unit, 10 plus 5 plus 5, 20 unit, and our total dimension is 30 unit. So along this line 30 minus 20 unit, so this dimension will be 10 unit. Then we'll use the extrude cut tool and extrude cut it to up to this word. Okay, so now we will draw this extrude cut triangular shape. And for drawing this extrude cut triangular shape, we can see, as we will be already doing this extrude cut, we will have an point here. From this point to this point, we have to connect this point, and as this total dimension is 40 units, so half dimension will be 20 unit, so it is along this 20 unit line. So if we connect from this point to this middle point, we will get our incline line, and from this incline line we'll then close this rectangle. After the closing this close this triangle, and after closing this triangle, we'll to cut it to up to the left side. Okay, then if we finally talk about our this rectangle is to cut and semicircle is to cut, for that we need to first draw a center line here, and this center line has a dimension of 10 unit, and from this center line I'll draw two offset line, as the total distance is 10 unit, so the half distance will be 5 unit. Okay, then after that we'll use the cap int R tool to cap in this portion, then we'll close this shape, then we'll cut it to up to this side. So let's go back to our SolidWorks. So first of all, I'm selecting the top plane from here. Now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it. Now going to select the center rectangle and placing the center rectangle here, and this center rectangle has a total dimension of 30 by 40 unit. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, and now we're going to extrude boss, and it has a total extrude boss dimension of 40 unit, so our extrude boss is 20 plus 20, so it will be 40 unit. Now press ok. Now we are going to again select the top plane, now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it. Now select the corner rectangle. Okay, so I'm selecting the corner rectangle here and placing a corner rectangle here, and this corner rectangle has a vertical dimension of if we think about 30 minus 5 unit minus 10 unit minus 5 unit, so it will be ultimately result in a 10 unit dimension. Okay, then along this side our dimension is total dimension is 40 units, so if we subtract the other 20 unit dimension to, so we will get a 20 unit dimension. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, and now extrude cut. Now we're going to extrude cut it to through all up to this top face, so we're going to use the extrude cut through all. You can use through all both or through all. Okay, through all. Now press ok. So our extrude cut portion has been done, and now we're going to select this face for drawing the triangular cut, and for drawing the triangular cut we'll select the line tool. So from this point, as we have talked about, as this total distance is 40 units, so we have to draw a line along 20 unit lines, so this midpoint is the 20 unit line. Okay, so we have selected this midpoint. Now connect the other points, so we have gotten our triangular shape. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut. This time we also going to extrude cut it through all. Okay, so similarly we have extrude cut it through all. Now press ok. So our this portion has been done. Now it's time for our this rectangular shape and semicircular shape. For that I'm selecting this face. Now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it. Now going to select a center line tool from here. Okay, so center line tool from here, and along this center line point draw a vertical center line of 10 unit distance. Okay, so we are going to draw a vertical center line of 10 unit distance, and from this 10 unit distance we are going to offset it. So I'm selecting the offset unit. So I'm selecting this line. We're going to offset it to total offset is 10 units. So each side has offset of 5 units. Okay, so make sure to select the bidirectional and cap paint, and now select the arc. Okay, so for our semicircular portion, now select the trim entities and we'll trim this lower semicircle. Now press OK. Then we'll select the line tool from here and connect, zoom it here, and connect these 2 points. Okay, we have connected this 2 point. Now this time isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, and then we're going to extrude cut, and this time we're going to extrude cut it to through all. So we are going to extrude cutting it to through all. Now press OK. So as you can see, we have done our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.